Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a real estate video with BombBomb easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your BombBomb account. On the home page, locate the video icon in the top navigation bar. Click on the video icon to access the video recording options. Choose whether to record a new video or upload an existing one. If recording a new video, select the webcam option. Allow BombBomb to access your camera and microphone when prompted. Position yourself in front of the camera and ensure good lighting. Once ready, click the red record button to start filming. Talk clearly and confidently, keeping your message concise and engaging. After finishing the recording, click the stop button. Review the video playback to ensure everything looks good. If you're satisfied, click the save option to store your video. Add a custom title and description to your video for clarity. Consider adding tags to enhance video discoverability. Next, choose the recipient list for your video email. If desired, customize the email with a personal message. Preview the email to ensure it looks as intended. When ready, click the send button to deliver your video. Monitor viewer engagement through the analytics section. Use insights to refine your future video content. Experiment with different styles and formats as you create more videos. Continue to learn and adjust your approach based on audience feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.